Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Just left the T-Mobile store with my brand new iPhone 11 product red 64 gig variant, not the 128. Within 50 miles of where I live, there are no T-Mobile stores that have the 128 gig variant. I did go to the Apple store downtown Portland this morning. That's where I started out this morning. I've never even been into an Apple store. This was my first time, and I never want to go back. Crazy store. Crazy. Well, they didn't have what I wanted there either. And neither did any of the other Apple stores locally. So it came down to having to order either through the Apple store or T-Mobile, but that was going to take a while. They are back ordered, and so it was going to take some time. And if I was going to pick up a new iPhone 11 and I wanted it within at least today or the next week, it was going to be a 64 gig variant. And T-Mobile here where I live locally, they're all red. There was one store that said they had a black one, but I wanted red. I did like the yellow. I really like the yellow. The yellow is like old school 70s yellow, that look. But anyway, this is what I got. I'm just going to use the cloud, transfer over the pics and videos that I'm going to shoot over to my computer, free up the space that I'll need to create some content. That's what I'm going to do with this device. So pic comparisons, videos, vlogs, and creating content. I'm going to see how this smartphone, the iPhone 11, does for me in all those areas. And you're going to be a part of it. So let's get back to my little YouTube studio. My little mini YouTube studio, and unbox. Even though you know what's inside of here, we're going to do that anyway. And then I'm going to start the reviewing process. You are going to come along with me on this iPhone 11 product red journey. Okay? Let's do this. The unboxing. Okay, I am ready to begin the reviewing process with my second iPhone ever, the iPhone 11 product red from T-Mobile. I paid 700 smacks, so I don't owe them anything. It's a good looking smartphone. And I'll tell you this, man, I don't ever want to go back to an Apple store. That's just one crazy experience. Anyway, let's do this. They made that very simple. Whew, yeah, that's a good looking smartphone. Look at those cameras. That's why I picked up this smartphone, this iPhone. I really want to get to know those cameras. Taking lots of pics, shooting lots of video. That begins tomorrow morning during the early morning vlog, so stay tuned, my friends. Stay tuned. Wow, that is just good looking. Wow. Yeah, it gets a whistle. It gets a sexy whistle. All right, so we're gonna put that over to the side. I'm gonna turn that around so you can see that. And you've seen 1,000 gazillion of these, but I'm going to do it anyway. Designed by Apple in California. Paperwork. Looky here. Yeah, some earbuds. A wall charger. And the lightning cable. Yeah. I got a couple of those laying around from my last iPhone, the iPhone 8 Plus. Now that was a good experience. It got me to know an iPhone in a way that I've never gotten to know any other kind of smartphone, because all my other smartphones are Android smartphones. So the 8 Plus was a good beginning for me with it. It was a good experience, but it wasn't a phenomenal experience. It wasn't a wow experience. What I'm seeing right now out there in YouTube land, my fellow YouTubers, shout out to all of you creating content on the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The cameras is what you're seeing is where it's at. Battery life. It's got dual speakers. It's got a nice display. I tested out the display at Best Buy, hands-on. My daughter and I had all three devices playing the same video. We had them laid out, and man, it's a good looking display. Sure, OLED's going to be better, but I've always said an LCD display, as long as it's made really good, I have no issues. I do have a case. Shout out to Armadillo Tech. Going to be sporting this case tomorrow morning with my iPhone 11. Shooting some video, and let's go ahead and take this off. Let's go ahead and boot up this device. It's going to be on this side. Here it comes. There's the apple. Who took the bite of the apple? You tell me down below in the comment section. Isn't that pretty? Pretty red? For my Portland Trailblazers. So I'm going to set it up, and then I'm not going to go through any of that right here, right now. We're just going to start the reviewing process tomorrow. I will be using this Armadillo Tech case with built-in screen protector to protect my iPhone 11 product red. So yeah, I'll be doing that. I got to remember the password to my my account. It's been a long time since the iPhone 8 Plus. So we'll get that going too, and then we'll just go from there. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part. Till my next video. This is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I am out.